In this video, we'll show you how to create a sample project, a pre-built project that lets you explore SmartestQA with real test data. Open the project dropdown and click New Project. In the dialog, click Create Sample Project. SmartestQA generates a fully configured project with start page URLs, requirements, actions, test cases, and API requests. The Insight dashboard fills with requirements and test coverage. The Actions section includes 64 pre-built steps. Automate provides test cases with a visual page flow diagram. The Schedule section comes with 7 pre-configured pipelines ready to run on Chrome. The Report section shows completed results. And API requests include sample collections with GET, POST, and PUT methods. It's the fastest way to learn the platform hands-on. SmartestQA. Make test automation easy and scale your projects faster.